Yeah, we are studying very interesting topic, biological and chronicle age. What is the chronicle age? Actually, chronicle age is that age which is shown in your passport. Actually, this is your date of birth. But the biological age is the age of our cells. It tells our real age depending on how the aging process has affected us. So this is your actual age which tell us about our health. Scientists use one most important technique which is called epigenetic clock and determining the chronicle and biological age. For example, if someone has very bad habits like smoking and drinking, then the accelerating aging rate is too much high, and in that case, they notice that person has more methylated group on their DNA. But on the other hand, someone who has good habit like dieting, exercise, and then notice they have healthy aging and they have less methylated group. In C, you can see 1, 2, and 3, but in here only 2, and they have more unmethylated region. So, we can slow down our aging by doing some good exercise, good diet. So, it is important if you stay, if you want to live a longer time. In here, we can see one graph. We take the chronicle age on x-axis and biological age on y-axis. Suppose this person has 30-year-old, and this is the normal aging. 30-year chronicle age 30 year and biological age is also 30 year. But someone who has good habit, good diet and good exercise, then its biological age is less than its actual age. Maybe it will be 25. And on the other hand, for someone has bad habit, then it may be 35 or 40. It depends on his or her health. Yeah. This is final conclusion of that lecture. Chronicle age is your age in years. For example, 30-year-old, but the biological age, how old your body actually is. For example, someone is 30-year-old, but body look like the 40. It means that that person is unhealthy. On the other hand, one person 30-year-old, but body look like 25. It means that that person is healthy. Scientists measure biological age using DNA changes. For example, DNA methylation. In here, we already discussed about it. In this technique, they used methylation. Some other method is also using like acetylation, but in here we only discuss methylated DNA. Lifestyles affect the biological age. For example, diet and exercise are good, but stress, smoking are bad for our health. So now you can easily understand about your real age is not your birthday. It is how healthy your body is.